VMI is a technology to enable you to access to a remote Android desktop or to run remote Android app in the cloud. For enterprise users, VMI technology can help you to keep the enterprise app and data within enterprise data center, so the employee could access to their apps, the enterprise data, without download any real data into its local smartphone. It's for individual users, which you can run an app without pre-download and install. So you save more space on your local smartphone, and it's more secure that there is no app can access to your personal data. To provide the VMI services, the main technical challenge is the cost of your infrastructure. So we have a brand new design to use ARM SoC as the server core to build up a new server. And on top of each ARM SoC core, we have implement an Android container technology. It could provide up to 6 times of density to lower the cost.